Hello, my name is Debo Adejana, real estate entrepreneur, MD CEO Realty Point Limited. They call us the Sack Your Landlord people. And this is Real Estate Business with Debo Adejana. I'll be talking about why you need to use the services of a mortgage broker for your next real estate purchase in this episode. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Now, people have always asked me, why do I need a mortgage broker if I can just walk up to the mortgage bank and get my mortgage loan? I mean, why do I need an intermediary? Won't that be more cost and all of those things? And I quite get their question, especially in this part of the world, Nigeria, Africa, where the practice of mortgage brokerage is not really so rampant or popular as it were. Okay, so we may not understand the benefits, but I'm here to share with you the number one reason why you need to get a mortgage broker on board for your next real estate purchase. This is it. Now, take it this way. First, a mortgage broker is a person that helps you, as the name connotes, broker a mortgage. It helps you to get a mortgage from a mortgage bank. So why do you need the help of such a person when you can walk up to any mortgage bank and probably discuss, your possibilities of getting a mortgage loan? Now, this is the number one reason. You see, for a mortgage broker, is there to serve your interests, and he has the understanding of the market and the mortgage banks. So he knows and can see your peculiarities, and he can then look within what he has in terms of the relationships he has with the mortgage banks. There are different types of business that they'll be interested in, what they favor and all of that. He will look at that and then push you in the direction that is best suitable for you. That is a responsibility and a duty a mortgage broker, professional mortgage broker, would hold you as the principal. Now, it could be that, some are always fearful and will say, hey, won't this person just be mindful of where he will get the most fee? A professional one would not do like that. Why? They know that their business largely relies on referrals, and if they should do wrong, it will boomerang and eventually end up not being too good for their business. So they would rather want to serve your interest at best, okay? And because they do business with all of these mortgage banks, they can always get you the best deal. The mortgage banks wants to get business from them, so they cut them. Yes, they always want to get business from them, so they always like to work with them also because they know they are in the field. Now, that practice is not as yet pronounced in the country yet, but I can tell you that it is growing, and rightly so. So, if you want to get your next property, guess what you should do? Especially when you want to see whether you qualify for a mortgage or so, talk to a mortgage broker. They come up with sometimes hybrid solutions for you. Using what exists in the industry, they can do a bespoke mortgage, create a bespoke mortgage for you that just would suit what it is that your situation is part-time. So you want to be talking to this person to pre-qualify yourself. So the guy will pre-qualify you, know what your peculiarities are. He will look at the market, see what exists, and see who can better serve your need and push you in that direction and argue your case with them. It's just like when people talk about insurance brokers. I think it's common knowledge now that if you want better results with your insurance business, use an insurance broker. It's the same thing with a mortgage broker, in my opinion. So I usually use them as a developer. I get them on board, okay, for my projects, and we discuss the terms and all. For example, there is a project we are on, and one of the first things the broker is doing is to ensure and help us pre-qualify that project for the National Housing Fund mortgage. What that does is that it makes it easier for any prospect to use National Housing Fund for that project. I mean, if I want to do that on my own, I will have to be talking to a mortgage bank that may not be interested in pursuing that with me because of so many reasons. So a mortgage broker does that. He then cements his business with me, and he can always assess. So whenever I get a prospect, what I do is, hey, I think you should talk to our mortgage broker to help pre-qualify you and all. It trains our marketers to help them know what to look out for in the market space, okay, and help them do some minor pre-qualification of clients before referring them to him, so that he can, or to his firm, so that they can then do the more rigorous due diligence and pre-qualification, and then channel these people in the right direction wherein they will get mortgage. That is why I think that you should use one, because they would help your business a lot, either as a developer, as a sales agent, or as a buyer. You need the services of a mortgage broker. Now, stay tuned to this YouTube channel, because soon enough down the line, I will be engaging a mortgage broker. We'll be on set and we'll be answering a number of the questions that may be bothering your mind as regards mortgage or mortgage brokerage in the country. Promises to be a great episode, so watch out for it. I believe that you've enjoyed this. If you have any comment, please engage us below, and we'll be glad to revert or to reply you. Also, okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, why not? Please subscribe to the channel. Click subscription button now. Yes, click it. Yes, thank you very much. And if you like this, click the like button. Let's know that you like it, okay? Now, when you've subscribed, click the notification button also. What that does is that whenever we drop a video, you'll be one of the first to get notified of it, okay? And you can watch and benefit. If you've been enjoying this, okay, share it with your friends. Tell them about the existence of Real Estate Business with Debo Adejana YouTube channel. And let them also join us. Share with your friends. Tell them. Catch up with me on my social media handles, Debo Adejana, at Debo Adejana, both on Twitter and on Instagram. It's always my pleasure bringing you informative tips and sharing knowledge with you as per the real estate industry. I hope it's been your pleasure listening as much as it has been my pleasure sharing this session with you. Till I come your way next time, I remain yours sincerely, Debo Adejana, and keep doing what? Sacking your landlord. Thank you.